This big billion day, Xiaomi having something special for you. Yes friends, Xiaomi is going to introduce its Mi 10T series lineup with Mi 10T 5G and Mi 10T Pro. There is one another unit which is Mi 10T Lite, which is not going to be introduced by Xiaomi in India, but it is already manufactured and delivered in China. So the thing is that in this video we are going to take a sneak peek what we can get in this series and why they are a flagship killer or maybe a flagship range from Xiaomi. Dear friend, welcome back to your own channel Mogam Tech, where we discuss smartphone gaming and technology. Mi 10T and Mi 10T Pro phones are launching in India on October 15th. Xiaomi India Managing Director Mr. Manu Kumar Jain has confirmed the launch of the two phones in India soon, after its global unveil last week. The Mi 10T and Mi 10T Pro phones have an identical hole punch display design and offer a 144 Hz refresh rate. While Jain hasn't mentioned the Mi 10T Lite, its arrival seems to be tipped by a fresh Bluetooth SIG listing, which not only mentioned the global model but also the Indian variant. In terms of specification, the Mi 10T 5G features a 6.67 inches Full HD Plus display, which is not a Super AMOLED display but IPS LCD display as well, with an aspect ratio of 20:9, 144 Hz refresh rate and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection over it. While the Mi 10T Pro 5G features a 6.67 inches Full HD Plus display with a same configuration with its sibling. Both the phone includes an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 SoC, which is 7nm, coupled with up to 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM. The Mi 10T comes with 128GB of UFS 3.1 storage for storing content. The Mi 10T Pro comes with 128GB and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage option. There is a triple rear camera setup on the Mi 10T 5G that houses the 64 megapixel primary sensor along with 13MP secondary sensor and an ultra-wide lens on the top. The camera setup also includes a 5 megapixel sensor with a macro lens. The triple rear camera setup of Mi 10T Pro includes a 108 megapixel primary sensor with an OIS, 13 megapixel sensor with an ultra-wide angle lens and a 5 megapixel sensor with a macro lens. Both phones feature a 20 megapixel selfie camera. For both of the devices, Xiaomi has provided a 5000 mAh battery which supports 33 watt fast charging. In terms of connectivity option, it includes 5G, 4G, LTE, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth version 5.1, GPS, AGPS, NFC infrared, which is an IR blaster for Xiaomi phones, and USB Type-C port. There is also a side-mounted fingerprint sensor on both the phones. Because it is an IPS panel, so the 3.5mm jack and in-display fingerprint sensor is lacking in both the phones. In terms of pricing, the Mi 10T and Mi 10T Pro, which is coming from 43,000 to 51,000 respectively, which is as close as their globally launched siblings. There is no confirmation for the Lite unit, but it is already spotted on Bluetooth SIG website, so it will be launching soon after the launch event. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found something informative with this video content, and have a very great day.